postmaster from New Hampshire. He arrived in Sioux City on May 5th, 1857. His government positions include civil engineer, city surveyor, postmaster, county surveyor. He also served as county sheriff and city mayor, both times to fill vacancies. And he was Justice for the Peace for a long time in the 1860s, his last term being December 31st, 1868. He was founder or co-founder of the J.M. Pickney Book and Stationery Company, Sioux City's two oldish national banks, our first savings bank, the Sioux City Scientific Association, Unitarian Church, the Floyd Monument Association, and the Sioux City and St. Paul Railroad. J.C.C. Haskins is somebody I call a professional dinosaur, being that he came here to Sioux City so early and he lived such a long time, he kind of did everything. He was mayor, postmaster, all that kind of stuff. So lots of professional dinosaurs here in Floyd Cemetery. So J.C.C. Haskins is right over there. So now we move across the